In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to limit Snapchat use with screen time. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option screen time. Click on the option app limit. Now click on the option add limit. Here you're going to find different categories. Under social, you're going to find the option of Snapchat. Check in for it and click on the option next. Now you will need to set a daily limit for Snapchat. For example, you can set 1 hour. Also, you are able to customize days. If you want to do so, click on customize days and select it. Once you have set the limit, tap add to save it. From now on, when you reach your daily limit, Snapchat will automatically lock and you won't be able to use it until the next day unless you enter the screen time passcode or change the settings. And that's it. This is how you can easily time limit on Snapchat using screen time. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.